God is not to be mocked. However, this is not the case. God hates sin. The Bible in Psalm 5, verse 4 says, "For you are not a God who delights in wickedness. Evil may not dwell with you." He is a God who doesn't delight in sin. He takes no pleasure from it. That's why the wages of sin are death. The Lord is too righteous and holy for sin to even be in his presence. He's too pure for that. And so what happens when God gets angry? What happens when people sin day after day and mock him? What happens when people forget that the Bible says in Exodus 34, verse 14, "For you shall worship no other God, for the Lord, whose name is jealous, is a jealous God." Now the Bible reads in Numbers chapter 11, verse 1 and 2, "And the people complained in the hearing of the Lord about their misfortunes. And when the Lord heard it, his anger was kindled, and the fire of the Lord burned among them and consumed some outlying parts of the camp." The decision to overlook the goodness of God led to an outpouring of his wrath. So you see, God is loving, but he is not to be mocked. He is patient, but he is not weak. So we should not provoke him to anger,